Ahoy, mateys! So, you've got a GoPro and you're making some action videos. Maybe something like this.
All right.
That's me on my e-bike. That's the kind of video I've been making recently. And if you're anything like me, I'm assuming you're watching this video because you're trying to level up your game. Something you probably noticed, like I have, looking at other people's POV videos, other people's GoPro videos, they don't sound like... So how are they getting audio that sounds more like this? I've seen videos where people try to address their GoPro audio in a lot of different ways. Adding like a little deadcat fluff onto the front of this thing, putting the media mod on there, connecting various different mics. I'm not going to cover every single option that there is. I'm going to cover this one, the Rode Wireless Go 2. I recently decided to spring for the upgrade. Unfortunately, the solution to GoPro audio involves a purchase of more gear. But after taking it out on my bike, I was kind of blown away by the difference in audio quality between the GoPro with the wind noise reduction turned on and this thing with a little deadcat hat. So, strap on some headphones if you've got them, so you can really hear the difference in these clips I'm about to play for you. Or I guess crank the volume to 11 if you have that. I think you're going to be surprised by the difference in audio quality between a couple of these clips. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
We'll see how the sound is strapped to my chest, right in the center. We'll see how the sound is strapped to my chest, right in the center.
There's that.
I'm definitely getting a good amount of wind. So we'll see how that deadcat does. I'm definitely getting a good amount of wind. So we'll see how that deadcat does.
Okay, so do you see what I mean? I think the difference between the GoPro Hero 9 Black, in my case, with auto wind reduction on, and the Rode Wireless Go 2 with the little deadcat hat on it, just strapped to my chest, night and day. One of the nice features about the Rode transmitters, they come with the deadcat, like you saw, and it actually clips in there so that it won't come off. So you got this clip to yourself on your bike or wherever you're doing. This thing's not gonna go flying off. That's a great little innovation. Now, I did find a couple of mic positions. I tried a few things. I put it on my chest, right above my chest mount for the GoPro. I put it up on my shoulder, kind of where this one is, tucked under the beard. And I also clipped it to my helmet, kind of backwards and forwards. The helmet positions were not good.
Go in here, pick up some speed. I'm turning my head around sometimes a little bit to look around. I'm curious to know how that impacts sound quality, if at all.
I mean, I just basically put this thing in a wind tunnel right next to my ear. Before I got the Wireless Go 2, I thought that the GoPro audio was fine. You could hear my voice. It didn't seem like too much of a hurricane sound going on. But now that I've tried this thing, I don't think there's any going back. Conclusion time. The thing is, GoPros are action cameras, and they're really good at being action cameras. Although I guess people debate that. There's some other action cameras on the market. Whatever action camera you may have, it's good at being an action camera. These are mics. They're really good at being mics. The Wireless Go 2 delivers clear, crisp audio. And this video is not sponsored by anyone. I'm just a tiny newbie creator. Yes, there is a link in the description down below if you want to buy this. When I took the step to buy this thing, I was like, do I really need to shell out the cash to make my videos better? Yeah, I think I do. I think it's gonna be a lot better. So I figured this is YouTube. I would just let you know I figured out something that works better. And if you're making videos like this, like I am, you're looking to improve your audio and kind of step up your film production game, I gotta say, the Rode Wireless Go 2 is kind of amazing. And I give it my personal seal, my personal seal of approval. Really nailed that line. Oh, and hey, if you want to see a full ride on that thing with the new audio setup, just click this video right up here. And if you want to see more of my mug on your viewing device of choice, you know what to do with the subscribe button. Smash it.